KFC partners with certified poultry farms to source healthy, high-quality chickens for global restaurant supply.
Keep an eye on the ones in the isolation pen.
Noted. Mobility on this one looks good.
Biosecurity systems safeguard chickens raised for KFC, preventing contamination and protecting global food safety standards. High-energy feed production supports the healthy growth of chickens destined for KFC processing plants.
KFC's integrated poultry network synchronizes farms, hatcheries, and transport into one seamless supply chain.
Live chickens arrive at KFC processing plants, where intake inspections begin under strict welfare protocols. Voltage steady at 200 milliamps. All parameters nominal. Precision slaughter systems process chickens rapidly while maintaining hygiene standards required for KFC production. Intensive washing systems sanitize chicken carcasses, preparing clean meat for KFC chilling processes. Prepared raw chicken now advances toward cutting, marination, and seasoning within KFC production lines. Automated cutting machines precisely segment whole chickens into standardized raw portions for KFC production. Organ separation systems sort edible byproducts while protecting the quality of KFC chicken cuts.
Bone trimming refines raw chicken portions, improving safety and uniform appearance for KFC products.
Prepared raw chicken cuts now move toward marination systems to create KFC's signature flavor. Brining tanks infuse moisture into chicken, forming the juicy foundation of KFC's signature fried texture. Seasoning drums coat chicken evenly, building the bold surface flavor unique to KFC products. Liquid coating bases prepare chicken surfaces for flour adhesion in KFC breading lines.
Seasoned chicken stands ready, moving toward fryers for KFC's final crispy transformation.
KFC's signature flour coating begins building the crispy identity that defines every legendary fried chicken piece. Removing excess flour guarantees KFC chicken fries evenly, preserving coating structure without waste or texture loss.
Adhesion testing ensures KFC chicken coatings remain intact, delivering consistent crunch after intense frying conditions.
Flour usage is spiking on line 3. Adjust the tumbler speed.
Ratios normalized. Adhesion is back within spec.
Breaded KFC chicken now advances toward fryers, where heat transforms coating into golden crispy perfection.
KFC pressure fryers cook chicken faster, sealing moisture while building the iconic crispy, golden crust. Full oil submersion allows KFC chicken to crisp rapidly while cooking thoroughly inside.
Oil draining conveyors protect KFC chicken's crunch while removing excess surface oil efficiently.
Resting racks allow KFC chicken to settle, preserving crunch before packaging and distribution.
Portion sorting organizes KFC chicken cuts precisely for accurate meal packaging and distribution efficiency. Heat lamps keep packaged KFC chicken warm, preserving crisp texture before service or shipment.
Food safety inspections verify packaged KFC chicken meets hygiene, sealing, and quality assurance standards.
Order staging prepares packaged KFC chicken pallets for organized loading and outbound delivery logistics.
Refrigerated trucks safeguard KFC chicken freshness as distribution begins from factory cold storage.
Truck 4B is hitting unexpected traffic on the highway. Reroute them to the state road immediately to ensure the chicken arrives fresh.
Restaurant deliveries place KFC chicken directly into cold storage, ready for kitchen operations. Drive-through fulfillment delivers hot KFC chicken quickly, meeting customer expectations for speed.
Wow, look at that steam.
Can I have this one?
Cheers, love. Crispy as ever.
From factory to globe, KFC chicken connects millions through consistent taste and shared meals.